Hey guys, UK Pokepower here with the final part of my Korean Hail Blizzard booster box half opening. Like I said, the other half's going to be on Junior's channel, and let's hope I get something good in this part to make up for the crappy pulls. So far I only had one hollow. Right, so here's hoping. We have a Elgyem, Fungus, a Growlithe, Heavy Ball, and there we go, Regigigas EX. Ironically, one of the ones that I need for my next Destiny set, but still a beautiful card. Put that in there. Beautiful, beautiful card. So there we go, an EX and a holo now. Right. So we have a Deerling, Elgyem, Tranquil, Unpheasant, and a Raichu, my first Raichu. Hippopotas, Lampent, Cubchoo, Amoonguss, and oh, wow, Lucario holo. Okay, this one might have looked better in English with the stripes, but still, that Sparkle holo. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you can hear that, but my neighbours are making noise. So if you can hear that, I'm very sorry, but I can't control what the neighbours do. Last two packs. I'm a bit more pleased now because I've got 2 holos and an EX, so if Junior gets good pulls as well, then it's going to be awesome. Right. Wigglytuff, Sneasel, Hippopotas, Sealan, and Amoonguss again. And then the last pack. You usually get 3 EXs in there, so I think he's getting the multiple EXs. Petilil, Pidove, Litwick, Heavy Ball, and a Zapdos holo. Well, can't be too mad. I got some awesome cards, so you know, it's gonna look pretty cool. In my binder with my Psycho Drive set, and yeah, please go check out UK Pokepower Junior's half of the openings, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.